It's true. I didn't always appreciate Canva. But now I can say I have converted to the Canva side. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Kate Danielle. My goal is to help you DIY designs for your business and save you time so you can look great online and get back to doing what you love in your business. So it's true, I did not always love Canva. As a graphic designer, I'm pretty much diehard Adobe. And while I do love Adobe programs and they are my go-to things for projects, it was about this time last year that I learned to really appreciate Canva and the simplicity it offers for online entrepreneurs. It was then I fully embraced Canva and to help people really leverage what you could do with it, make it a more powerful tool, and to teach online entrepreneurs some good graphic design tips on how to use it. So in today's post, I'm just running down a list of brand assets that you could create with Canva. Number 1. And really the first thing you need to do when creating your visual brand is to make your brand board. This is the thing that has all your colors and the fonts that you're going to use. Side note, unless you pay for Canva for work, you have to use the fonts that are in Canva. You can't upload fonts into the free version. So this is just the general guide for all your visual elements. Colors, logo, graphics that you use, things like that. The second thing you could do is you can design simple logos in Canva. Now, in the free version, you won't be able to save those as with transparent backgrounds, so it wouldn't be something that has a background, or it could be something square shaped. If you upgrade to Canva for work, you can save it as a PNG with a transparent background. So number 3 on my list is to create blog title templates. Templates help you save time and stay on brand. So you can create several different templates for your blog titles. Number 4 is pin templates. Pinterest is where I get most of my traffic for my blog, so it's great to have several different on-brand templates to use. Number 5 is if you have a Facebook group, Canva is a great place to design your Facebook prompts. Number 6. Opt-ins. If you're creating any kind of printable opt-in checklist, you can make those in Canva. You can also have a go-to template with your header and footer already there, ready to go, and it'll save you time. Number 7, social media banners of all kinds. So wherever you are online, Facebook, your Facebook group, Twitter, you typically need some sort of banner, and you can use the pre-sized layouts in Canva to get started on that. Number 8, social media templates of all kinds. Wherever you're active on the interwebs, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, we already mentioned because it's not a social media platform, it's a search engine. Twitter, any place where you're sharing an image type graphic like a quote or a title of your post, you can create various templates so these are quick and easy for you to use and input new information in. 9. If you have a shop on something like Etsy or Creative Market, you will also need a shop banner there, and Canva has tons of these pre-sized for you. And number 10 is an email header. Some people use these and some people don't. There is data saying that image-heavy emails can cause your open rate to go down, but I find that if I'm subscribing to lots of things, so for example, if I'm researching on something on Pinterest, I find several things that I want to opt in for without really knowing who these people are, then I start getting emails from them. I have no idea who they're from. So because of that, I decided to design an email banner that's now on top of all my emails that go out to my list. So let's recap. The 10 things again were a brand board, a logo, blog header templates, blog title templates, pin templates, Facebook group prompts, opt-in templates, social media banners, social media templates, shop headers, and an email header. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions about how to create these in Canva, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for good vibes. You will stay up to date on all my tips and tricks that will save you time when DIYing your graphic design so you can get back to doing what you love in your business.